Hey everyone, today I will show you how to auto-admit participants on Google Meet, allowed to join without permission. So let's get right into it. First, open your preferred browser and go to its extension store. I'm using Brave, so I'll just go to the top right corner and click the three lines and look for the extensions option. Then click on Visit Web Store. Here on the search bar, search for auto-admit participants for Google Meet. It should look something like this. Now, click on Add to Brave or click Add Extension. This extension automatically allows join requests from external guests. And that's it. Now, this extension will automatically admit people in your Google Meet call. That's it. Thank you for watching and hope this guide was helpful.